Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new air filter, a screwdriver, and maybe some gloves. Make sure your 2009 Nissan Murano is parked on a flat, safe surface. It's really important that the engine is completely cool before you begin. Safety first, always. Now pop open the hood of your Murano. Look for the large black box, usually on the passenger side, which is your air filter housing. Depending on your model, you might have clips or screws holding the cover on. Gently unfasten them, then carefully lift out the old, dirty air filter. Notice how much debris it has collected. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: working in the garage can be more fun with some music. Bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other awesome deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before putting in the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any leaves or dirt from inside the housing. Now, carefully place your brand new air filter into the compartment, making sure it sits snugly. Once it's perfectly in place, reattach the housing cover, securing all the clips or screws you removed earlier. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.